There you can see my clean filter replacement date, 21 Nen, which was about 10-11 years ago, 2010. The 12th month, 27th day at 31,000, almost 32,000 kilometers. This car's up to just under 100,000 kilometers now. So to attach the glove box back, you can see this hook here. There's a little bit of an angle on the bottom there. From there, you need to angle it on. Also, this part here is going to go in last. This bit here is longer, it's going to go on first. Just take note of this here. This is what's going to hold your, what is it called, glove compartment back on. So pulling on this string, you can see there's a bit of resistance in that tube. It's going to be pretty handy to see that you can squeeze it quite a bit to hook on the glove compartment in the end. So once you got the off, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws to take out. Working backwards a bit here. This is the slot where the air filter is going to fit. So you need to remove this bar with 1, 2, 3 screws. And here is the air filter. I'll leave the measurements, but it's 35 millimeters thick and 225 by 240. Now, here I have a square, little chunk taken out to make it easier to get in. But this line here is going to go this way, and this dirty side, I just cleaned this filter. I'm still debating whether I'll replace it or not. Goes in like so. Here's with the filter in. Next, I need to put the cover back on, and doing this in reverse, I hope it makes it look easier to do it the front way. Now, this piece is going to sit on the bottom and then clip on up the top. You can see at the top there's nothing but a piece of plastic to sort of hold it, and on the bottom here we have a little metal piece that will hook into here and be fastened to the bottom first, and then using these spaces here you can grip and push up to clip it over. So you're going to do the exact same in reverse. Fits nicely. My little clip here easily hooks on. I grip, I push up, and when I push up, it'll hook on up the top here. I've screwed this lower plate on, 1, 2, 3, and you can see which direction this is going to sit here. I'll screw this back on with the 6 or so screws it takes. Rear filter is super easy, old one, new one. You can see, give that a bit of a brush out before you fit it in. I've written the date on the top here for when the new one's going in, and then just feed it in here, like that. Put the grill back on.